What it do, family? It's your boy two-time Moto TV, and we back with another epic video. Guys, today was a recommended video from one of you guys. You guys dropped them comments below, man. On any of my videos, I definitely respond to any and all comments. Let me know what you guys want to see next. This video today was recommended from one of you guys, so you guys can check the older comments on my last couple vids that I did put out. And he wanted to know how I hooked up the PA system, where did I get the PA system from, and how did I hook it up to the switch. Man, everything was fairly simple with it. Sometimes the switches take a little bit more wiring up than what you would assume, like a power and a negative. Mine was fairly simple, but I did have a switch in there before that I had a power, a negative, and a neutral in order for the speakers to work. Because if you try to turn it off, then you hear like a bunch of static in the rest of your speakers. Then when you turn it on, everything sounds fine. So I do have a switch for mine, so I can turn it on and off just in case, you know, the police is around or whatnot. I can just hit the switch, turn it off, and they'll never know it was me. But anyway, yeah, so or, you know, if I'm coming through the neighborhood and I'm beating, you know, I just put my windows up and just have my sound playing in the car instead of it playing outside the car. But yeah, guys, so today I'm talking about this PA system that you guys heard at the beginning of the video. Yo, this thing is very loud. It's what they use at football stadiums, which you guys will see hanging up on buildings. And it's fairly cheap, guys. You can get one for about 30 bucks. I got the link in the description below, so you guys can scroll through everything that I have at the store down there. And yeah, everything that I got down in the store is at its lowest price, trusted vendors, and this is where I get all of my stuff from. So yeah, guys, check out the link in the description below for the PA system, and it's called like an outside car speaker, is what I got it linked in. So yeah, guys, without further ado, mine was about 40 bucks back in the day. I got mine from Radio Shack. I actually had this thing on this car, man, for the life of the car. I had the car for about 10 years. So that PA system has been lasting me for those 10 years out here in the weather and everything. See, I can be driving, water's getting all up in there, and you can never tell anything is distorting or anything. These speakers are waterproof because they are supposed to be outside, like I said, at football stadiums and whatnot. So yeah, guys, never had any trouble out of it, never had it cut off on me or anything. So I do have it zip tied 2 ways, and then I also have it bolted in, because back in the day it wanted to move around some. So let me see if I can zoom in for you guys down here. And I don't know if you guys can see that bolt that's right behind it, but yeah, I got that bolted into this metal brace in the front right here. Let me try to point at this metal brace in the front. I got it bolted to that, and also zip tied so that it don't move left and right. I didn't have any problem with it, you know, back and forth, but with the speaker trying to go left and right, yeah, I did have a problem. So yeah, just put 2 zip ties on it, guys, and maybe you can send a bolt through the bolt hole in the back of the PA system. It does come with like a stand, so you guys just shoot a bolt through that little metal bar right there, yo, and you'll be fine. I did have to take my grill out to be able to position everything how I wanted it to. The grill, it should just have bolts in the back here, just going around the whole grill, and it's fairly simple. It should take you like 5 or 10 minutes to get the grill off, probably a little bit less than that if you got the right tools, and then probably like 10 to 15 minutes to run your wire and hook your PA system up. I mean, depending on how you guys want to run it. So I'm gonna show you guys how I have it ran in the inside. I have mine ran to this blue switch here, so you guys can just, you know, flick it on, flick it off. And I do know which one is off and which one is on. Flicked it down, that's on. Flick it up, that's off. I've been running it long enough, so I don't need an on and off selector button. You know, guys, it's just only one way you can have it, either that way or that way. So yeah, I'm about to take this plate here off so that you guys can see the 2 wires that I have ran. The only thing I did do here was drill a hole right beside my trunk release. Every one of you guys should have this trunk release button in your Grand Marquis, Crown Vic, Mercury Marauder, or whatever. You guys should have one of those. If not, you can position this switch anywhere you want. You can have it over here. I've seen some guys have it over here, which is, you know, a lot better if you ask me, if you was just to drill a hole right here, boom, and then run your wire. So I'm gonna take this plate right here off, show you guys the 2 wires that I got ran in the back, and then I'm gonna tell you guys exactly how to hook it up, so y'all stay tuned. So instead of me telling y'all how to take this plate off, I'm gonna go ahead and take it off and show you guys. Usually I just open this door right here, and then I'll pull up on this side right here. That side should pop out, and then you just want to go along the line here, and then don't try to yank the whole thing out, or you may break some clips off, and then this piece right here will never want to seat back in there correctly. So guys, just go down the line like this, pull each individual piece up, and then all of it will try to come out at the same time. As you guys see, I just did this with one hand and holding the camera, so it should be fairly simple for each of you guys to do the same. So back here, you guys can see that I got the 2 wires right there ran up in the back of that switch. I'm trying to hold this bracket and show you guys that at the same time. So yes, it is those two blue connectors along with the 2 black wires, and I do have it ran in the back of my CD player. And then tapped into this is the PA system wire, which I can show you guys exactly where I got that ran from the front to this black wire here, and then from the black wire to my left side door speaker in the back of the CD player. So yeah guys, you do have to tap into your speaker wire, so tap into the positive and the negative. Your wire should be color coded and should tell you which one is for your door speakers or for your rear speakers. Just tap into any one of the speakers with the positive and negative wire. There's only one way that you can connect it, guys, so always connect the wires that's supposed to be connected to each other. Like, you should have a positive and you should have a negative. Your negative usually has like a white strip or a blue strip or some kind of like strip going through the color of the wire. So say for instance, if your wire is blue and it has a black strip that's going through it, then you know that that's your negative wire 9 times out of 10, if you have everything hooked up right. So with that said, the only thing you got to do is run 2 wires from your PA system to here, to your switch, and then you want to tap into it somewhere back there, and you just want to run a positive and a negative, which one of these are positive and one of these are negative. You want to run a positive and a negative to a positive and a negative speaker wire in the back of your CD player, and it should just be as simple as that. So I'm just gonna leave this hanging here for a second while I go and show you guys exactly where I got my wires ran at. So if you guys can see, these black wires right here is coming from the PA system. It is hooked up right here. It is soldered in together to the speaker wire, and then that speaker wire is running. I'm gonna try to find it, which it is behind this reservoir here, but that speaker wire is running right here, guys, and I got that running through my firewall where I got the rest of the stuff ran through. So I'm gonna see if you guys can see that there's a little slight hole back there in my firewall that you guys can see right there. Waiting for it to focus, trying to focus on my fingers. But yeah, hopefully you guys can see that. Everyone should have a firewall running through that vehicle on the driver's side. And then I just got it ran up behind this panel here, and it's as simple as that, y'all. So run that PA wire straight to your switch. There should be a positive and a negative. Run it straight to your switch. Tap into that wire wherever you ran it from your firewall, in the back here somewhere up underneath there, and tap it into your speaker wire, whether it's a door speaker or whether it's a rear speaker. Just tap it into one of your speaker wires, and your speaker wire should be labeled as well, so you should know which one to tap it into. I just tapped it into my driver's door speaker, and boom, you can tap it into whatever speaker that you want to run. And also, guys, I know y'all probably been wondering what this button right here for. This is for my horn. Y'all see, my horn here doesn't work anymore because they did have the siren hooked up. You know, that little funny noise that they make when they just going down the road trying to get folks out the way. That real annoying noise. So I could hook that back up, but you know, that is illegal out here where I'm at. So I don't even want to take that chance and be messing around with folks and stuff, man, because I'm not the police. I don't want to be the police. So yeah, there's no need for me to have that. But yeah, guys, that right there should conclude the video. Once again, check out the link in the description below For where to get the PA speaker from, it should be about 20 something to $30 the last time I looked at it. And if you guys got any other video suggestions, let me know throughout this quarantine process that we are all going through, and I will try my best to get it out within 2 or 3 days to you guys out live on YouTube. So once again, man, thanks for rocking with me. Please be sure to subscribe, hit that bell notification, smack that like button, and comment below, guys, so y'all can, you know, continue to give me support and I can continue to put out educational videos for you guys on whatever you guys need, whatever, you know, you want to see me do, or just, you know, questions about anything. So yeah, Two Time Moto TV out, guys. Stay safe out there. Until next time, peace.